blue ulakku.
Ka Women's College Shillong kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiaid procession ba Jarjar hene ka step ban Pynpau ya ka Pyrshah halor ka Jingshah Thombor Pyrshah ya ki kenthai. Hakani ka rally lawan ban Bynta de ki kena pule bat kinong hikai. Ya kani ka rally la Pynlong ban Pynpau ya ka Jingshah na ka Bynta ka wei ka doktor ka bala sya bat bor bat sya penyap ha Jarjar Medical College bat hospital ha West Bengal. Shushu kani ka college kala kentu ya ka sorkar ban wanra ya ki lat kilenti ban pentikna ya ka Jingshong sngan ki reu kenthai ha ka jilla. La ban ya thu hang ne bakat ko makai phot jong ka Meghalaya police don kumbah reus pa arpra ki Jingiaid Thombor Pyrshah ki kenthai ha ka jilla ha usnam Jarjar arpulai.
This silent rally actually we have organized in solidarity with Abhaya, and being a women's college, I think this awareness is very much needed. This atrocities against women it's really on the rise nowadays in India. It's become like a menace, and I don't know how, because the Prime Minister's plan is Viksit Bharat, to make India a developed economy in no time. But when it's human resource, which is half of which is comprised of women, how is the economy going to be a developed economy? I just don't get it. So that was the only purpose of this thing, to bring in awareness and let the government be more aware and take some very stringent measures.